Hi, welcome to our latest listing at 473 Tower Hills Avenue in San Jose.
It has 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths.
This is the coveted Communication Hills area with lots of walking trails, beautiful pool, and much, much more.
Please take a look inside.
This nice and open living room, you have a gas fireplace with copper ceiling and a nice fan.
And the private balcony overlooking streets and the color of autumn. I love this built-in loft. It has a nice view outside as well. This kitchen comes with white cabinets, granite countertop, and rear gas stove, stainless steel dishwasher.
You also have access to your backyard that is private and no one can access this, as well as your beautiful breakfast nook.
Easy access for guests with the half bath on the first level.
It also opens up to your formal dining room with copper ceiling, as well as easy access to the kitchen. We're here in the master bedroom and it's very large. It has high ceiling. You have a beautiful fan here. It also has a special nook right here that you can use as a work from home station, or you can use it for dressing, a walk-in closet, anything that your heart desires. You also have beautiful large windows that open to the outside foliage. What's nice about this bathroom in the master is your closet is just right here. Also double sink that's new with the countertops. And then the shower tub combo is just right here.
One of the best features about this home is it has a mini suite with closet here and also in the bathroom, and beautiful looking view. This nice bright bathroom has matching tiles, spacious tub, quartz countertop, and a convenient closet inside. There's a washer and dryer on the same level.
We have a really large 2-car garage with extra storage. Thank you for taking the tour with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us.